Welcome back on our YouTube channel, Monday to Monday. My name is Chris. Behind the camera, Jochem. He's back. This episode will be a little bit different, like I told you a week ago, because we're not working on our boats this week. I had to clean up my property. I had to do some jobs around my house. Happy wife, happy life. You know what I mean. So, no boat work this week, but we are on the boat. We're going to motor. I think it's motor. So leave me in the comments. What do we do with this boat? Are we sailing this boat? Are we driving this boat? Are we motoring this boat? Or is everything fine? I don't know.
The boat.
Huh?
Boating the boat.
Boating the boat. So let us know. In this episode, you're gonna see the trip home from Den Helder to where we are now, our mooring, because one of you told us that this is our mooring, so now we know. Thank you very much. One of the old owners of Dompie contacted me because he watches the channel and he has a spare part for the Lister engine, and we can come pick it up, and that's what we're going to do with Dompie. After that, we want to discuss some plans that we have with the trawler and with Jochem's boat as well, because we didn't do very much with his boat and it's about time we're going to do that. But first, let's watch the trip home. halfway the Amstelmeer. I'm on the Amstelmeer now on a different boat. There's Dompie. Because we met our neighbor here, Inga. So now we're on her ship. We're drinking a cola. And then we're going to continue our journey. But this is fun. She only drives her boat one time in 3 years. And exactly on this day we met each other on the Amstelmeer. So that's super cool. Let's drink our Coca-Cola and go.
After meeting Inga on the Amstelmeer, we headed back to the mooring. Nature was preparing itself for wintertime. There was no wind and the water was calm and flat. It was a beautiful day to drive the boat. Beautiful waves were coming off the bow of the ship. I guess that's because all the gunk is now off. Although not as maneuverable as Chris first thought in his dreams. She was gliding through the water like a knife through butter. The way back was almost twice as fast as the way there. Imagine, we were going 6 kilometers an hour on the way there and doing almost 11 on the way back. When we arrived, Jessica was there to pick us up, bring us home, and we were ready for a good hot meal.
It's the next day. We're back on the boat. Nope. We're editing the video and I forgot this shelf, so I'm sorry. Like I told you on the beginning of the video, the former owner reached out to us. He has a part. We're going to pick it up now and meet him for the first time. He's going to show us how we can maneuver with this boat because he knows a lot about boats, and you will see why. So we got the part from Arjan. He showed us a few tips and tricks how we can maneuver really quickly with this boat, and it was nice meeting him. I want to leave it with this. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next week. Thanks for watching.